Hi, I'm Robin Bensley, host of the food and travel website, robinbensley.com. I became fascinated with the Soča River in northern Slovenia because its nickname is the Emerald Beauty, and it's known as one of the most beautiful rivers in the world. So I started looking up pictures of it on the internet, and I was like, oh, come on. Those have to be photoshopped. And so I had to find out for myself.
Once upon a time, a dragon lived in Rocky Cave. And one day, dragon flew out of his cave and in the nearest kingdom kidnapped young and beautiful, very beautiful princess. 500 pounds of pure beautiness. Not his cave. But princess, triste and distressed, cried and night and cried and cried, till from her tears became our lake. One day, one sunny, windy day, just like today, arrived a prince in a white boat, white horse, white boat. He was young, handsome, strong, rich, intelligent, with black and white beard and with glasses on his nose. And he attacked the dragon immediately. After 3 days long, very bloody battle, Prince defeated the dragon, and from all dragons' wounds get a green dragon's blood into the lake, and from that moment on, our lake is green. Name of the princess was Lucia, and our boat is named by her, Lucia. So when Prince saved the princess, they get married. That very moment, when Prince in a church in front of altar said, I do. In that very moment, princess became a dragon. And mine also. And her mother became monster-in-law. And after that, lived together forever after. Princess was happy, and the prince was married. And this was a story with almost happy end.
How long have you been captain of the Lady Lucia, and why do you do this for a living?
Oh, I constructed my first boat in 1989. You saw it at the other side of the lake, and that one I constructed in 1993.
And so you've been captaining this boat since
1993.
Okay, and how did you get into this business?
Oh, I don't know. There's more joke than real. They said, I said, it will be real nice if we'll have one boat here on a lake for tourists and so on. And all my friends, they laugh and they are stupid. So I constructed and start the business.
So you built this boat.
Yeah.
Important question. Why is the Soča River this color?
Green. Soča, water of Soča River, there's a lot of limestone. It National Alps, and that limestone give this when sunlight fall on the surface of the lake, it reflect only green color. This is a rainbow effect. If we have rain and we have sun, we have rainbow over the sky, but Soča, on the Soča River, we can see only green part of the rainbow, and it's look like a color, but water has no color. This is just light effect.
Well, it's considered, of course, one of the most beautiful rivers in the world. And is the whole river this color?
Mostly.
Okay, so the Soča River starts in the Julian Alps.
Yes.
And how long is the river?
It's 86 kilometers. 86 kilometers, it's around 60 miles.
What kind of wildlife do you see when
Over
you're
there
on
it's
the
one
river?
gray heron on the top of the...
Oh, I see.
There is a lot of birds here
A
around.
lot of birds. What kind of birds?
There are herons, white, gray heron. There are ducks, a lot of different type of ducks. There are cormorants. I don't know of some species name in English, but lake is full of life. We have wolves here, we have bears here. You cannot see the bears, you cannot see the wolves, but they are here.
Yeah.
You saw the steps.
Yeah, the footprints, yeah.
Footprints, yes.
Yeah. I was reading that fly fishermen come to the Soča River from all over the world because, well, it's so beautiful, but isn't there a special kind of trout that's in this river?
Marble trout. This is special kind of trout. It's long. The longest one from our lake you can see in the hotel in Kobrit. It's long 1 meter and 25 centimeter and it has 25 kilos. It's quite a fish.
25 kilos?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. And speaking of trout, the Lady Lucia serves the best food I've ever had on a boat. Things like grilled trout with aioli, trout carpaccio, porcini salad, chicken with walnut sauce, and a melt-in-your-mouth berry cream pie. Captain Neon, it was an honor to meet you and a pleasure to spend the day with you on board your beautiful boat on the Soča River. And, oh, what the heck?